Oh, there you go. Now push it, go forward.
Push the red lever. Yep.
It's too cute.
Sure.
Woo! There you go. Best grandpa ever.
I don't know about that, but...
Uh-oh. Did a bug get you? Bug got you. Oh, no. Oh, no. He almost ran into Mommy.
Grass.
He knows. Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. There you go. Oh, you are so smart, Henry. 3-point turn in it already. That's right. You're doing great. Whoop.
Let's go forward.
Yay, Henry. Push it. Good job. Boom. Good job. One more. Oh, yeah. Turn that way. Turn to Mommy. Good job. Oh, gosh. He's like, no, forward.